Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Candy Crush Saga app without the Facebook. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Candy Crush app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add friends, simply tap onto the friends button right here. Now let me remind you, I have not connected my Facebook account in the Candy Crush app. So to add the friends, you can simply do the same process. Now simply tap onto add button right here. Just like this. Now you can see the request has been sent to the person. If the person accepts your request, then you can be friends with the people. And that's it. This is how you can add friends on the Candy Crush Saga without the Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.